Welcome to Langston, the perfect blend of lifestyle, convenience, and a sense of community. Boasting an incredible 162 home sites, each contributing to the vibrant tapestry of this amazing community. Take a stroll on our dedicated walking trail that spans the entire neighborhood, promoting health and well-being with workout stops and stations along the way. Enjoy the outdoors without the hassle of maintenance on our quarter-acre home sites designed for lifestyle living with public utilities. Located in southern Chester County, Langston is surrounded by open pastures and farmland, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. Just off 472, Langston provides easy access to charming downtown Oxford, with storefronts, shopping, and restaurants. Experience the community's vibrant spirit with the events like First Fridays. Commuting is a breeze with easy access to Baltimore Pike or Route 1, offering a straightforward journey east to Philadelphia or south to the Pennsylvania-Maryland border in less than 20 minutes. Beyond the physical features, Langston is a community that fosters connections. Our homeowners are thrilled they chose Keystone, not just for their homes, but for their friendships they've made with their neighbors. Every selection and choice is uniquely yours to create your dream home. Langston, where lifestyle meets community and your dream home becomes a reality.